beautiful day, very nice morning over here, and we give much thanks to Almighty Jah for this great amazing day. So I just woke up, and on this beautiful day, it's a Monday, of course, a new week, the second new week of the new month, October, and it's so great and amazing. Yes. Guys, those guys, they're cheering at me like Hesh, Hesh, Hesh. You know, Hesh here means Hesh, but I don't buy that, because the moment I just lie there, they'll just ask me, can you give us something small? Give us something small. So because it's early morning, they have to work a little hard, because at some point you give, but they don't want to work. So it's better, even me here, I'm going to work. Yeah, so let's put aside, it's a mixture of the world of different people, and with different ideological differences. Not everyone has to work, but some deserve this, some don't deserve this. It's a mixture of things. It's life, it's nature, something like that. So I'm just resuming to True Boy's place. I'm heading somewhere, and that somewhere is True Boy's home. It's early morning, and we are going to do what we call like start our construction. But before that, have you subscribed? If not yet, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I really appreciate your love and support, because that's the best way to support that. Because that's the best way to. Because when you subscribe, that's the best way to do what you call like support these boys, CJ. So we are passing through the thick forest, which is very nice and quiet. Also,
nataka nifanya kazi hapa.
kazi iko haya tatu.
Sawa.
Come without the brooms.
You are lying. Are you sure?
Of course I know I can't lie. Good morning, how are you?
I'm good.
Everything cool?
Everything good, bro.
Yeah, as long as I know whatever I'm doing is right.
Yes.
If you tell me I'm lying, then I just say Alhamdulillah. As long as I know whatever I do is right. Because you see, it's evident that I came from buying these brooms.
Okay.
Because I knew, because this place should be cleaned first before working.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so guys, what Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude. In case you're new here, welcome and subscribe, like, share and leave a sweet comment. On today's video is a special video guys. As you hear the background today, it's kinda different. Why? We are in a quarry and this quarry is far away from the village. It sounds crazy, right? But this day today, it's an amazing day and it's a very beautiful day on this other side. The machines are really vibrating over here. So before I tell you where I am right now, have you subscribed? Subscribe, like, share and leave us a comment. I really appreciate your love and support. Remember guys, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and with that I really appreciate your love and support for my returning subscribers. Guys, I really appreciate you, and I really appreciate this time and this gesture that we always come to say, CJ, let's check what CJ today has done. So we travel all the way from the village, like 50 plus or 600 or 800 plus kilometers from the village that is Nyabohanse Isibania village, East Africa, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, to the central part of Kenya, Nairobi, Thika, Ndaragu, one of the best quarries over here. Most of the construction materials comes from here, and most people usually say, hey, how does this happen? This seems like one of the greatest areas that was blessed with construction materials, more so the blocks. With us over there, we usually struggle to make blocks from sand and cement and mixed with water, but this is really natural. Look, they just harvest. It has become a quarry, a very big one. Look, it has been people creating valleys and just cutting down. It's only they invested in machines, and most of the trucks over here usually come and align over here. We traveled all the way and we arrived here by 5 a.m. in the morning, early in the morning, and we found a lot of trucks. We thought maybe that we were Claude and True Boy alone over here with the driver, but we found a lot of trucks, as you see over here, lining up, scrambling for these precious precious materials. Very nice. So ensure you subscribe. I'm not alone. We traveled with True Boy. We are very tired, and we were like, no, we have to show you where Kenyans milk millions of money with just sand over here. So subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I'm going to take you around and show you how the machines vibrate, how we have big machines over here. Bye. Yeah, you can imagine guys, this is just the ground, no putting of chemicals, but just that way, and they just make blocks the way you see, clean blocks. Very nice. It's just a ground that was made this way. It's like coral, so people are parking. You get a lot of trucks getting what we call like aligning over here. That's why you see there are a lot, and they are very conk, to an extent that even when they throw them down, it cannot be knocked, it cannot crack. These are the rejected ones. Yeah, you can imagine guys, this is just the ground, no putting of chemicals,
but just that way, and they just make blocks the way you see, clean blocks. Very nice. It's just a ground that was made this way. It's like coral, so people parking. You have to get a lot of trucks getting what we call like aligning over here. And that's why you see there are a lot, and they are very conk to an extent that even when they throw them down, it cannot be knocked, cannot crack. These are the rejected ones. Yeah, so guys, we are just here, we are sitting very tired. We are under the truck over here. Hey Trubo,
Yes.
how is it, bro?
Everything is cool.
Yes.
We are just following the narratives of this place.
Yeah, we just sat
Oh.
down here.
Yeah. There is no chairs. There is no shade. There is no everything.
As you see, no house
no
near.
food.
No food, no house near.
Hey.
Now I get the scenario why most people come and they hype the prices of these stones. You know,
Yes.
I know the reason why now, because if you come alone, it's kinda, you can now negotiate with the operators or the people. But when you send someone, he becomes or she becomes a broker, and you end up sometimes doing this up and down. But the great thing is we can't regret, because we can see, like, sometimes you might tell somebody like, oh man, you are late. What time did we arrive here?
7 a.m.
Yes,
You are here.
we arrived in the city at 4 a.m.
Yeah.
and we started the journey to this place, and we arrived here 7 a.m.
Yeah.
You can imagine, still now it's almost like 2, and we are just waiting over here. So the line is so huge. Every truck wants its what we call, like, they want blocks.
Yeah.
And you know, the most ones are here and rejected ones, so you have to be more attentive to see what's happening.
Yeah.
Alright guys, because of the noise, we just pause a little bit again. See you. Look at Truboy.
Yes, yeah.
Guys, since morning we are just here relaxing, and on top there I think even landscape can what you call, like, landslide can happen, but we are praying for it not to happen. But here with Truboy is sleeping. He's sleeping, guys.
Yes, yes. How everything goes.
Okay, I think it has been so nice over here. What do you think, like, what is the experience here so far?
The experience over here. Like what I've seen, when you are at least if you want the best blocks, you have to visit this place,
Yeah.
because they have great water, and they have also the rejects.
The rejects,
So
yeah.
when you are not around, they might pack for you
The rejects, yeah.
you know. But when you are here, The good thing with when you come here, you can tell them the size you want,
Yeah. Yeah.
so that they can at least
Repeat for you.
yeah, you know,
Yeah.
rather than just calling them. You know, when you are far away,
Yeah.
they can even mix.
Yeah. Different.
Yeah, they mix the different size. So when it comes into time of building,
Yeah.
now your wall won't be straight and won't be like
Smooth.
smooth. You know?
Yeah.
Some will be big, some will be
Small.
wide. You know.
So they lack length.
Yeah.
The same length and width. Yeah.
Yeah. But when you are here, if you want to tell them like 6'8",
They'll make
they
6'8".
make 6'8".
If
If you want
6'9",
6'9",
they make you
they make for you
6 by 9. Yeah.
If you want maybe 5'8",
Mm.
that's what they
They
do.
will just prepare it for you.
So that's good, and for
Yeah.
sure I've really enjoyed over here.
Yeah.
Because I've learned so many things from
Yeah.
this side. I've met different machines.
Yeah, like
which I've
this.
never met,
Big power
never
plants, and also we are sitting on precious stones. Like, it's one of the greatest way, man. I'm so surprised. Like, you know, I used to think it's a stone, but I think it's something like coral, guys. We have a bulldozer here, we have some power plant over there, we have machine cutters. So it's a lot of mixture of stuffs that we are really learning over here. So let's wait and see what's happening, and we'll keep on giving you a very great and amazing experience. Look at those machines. So they're on a halt because I think they're tired, so they're trying to see what can happen over there. So this machine broke down, so they're trying to do what we call like test of it, and the others are on a halt. So let's wait and see. Okay guys, you know what? In this area there's no hotel, so we decided to come here so that we can just quench the what we call like our thirsty, and also the hunger. Sorry, I have some itching eyes because hey man, there's a lot of dust here. So we wanna eat what we call like traditional food, very nice. We call them githeri. It's a mixture of maize and beans, and also milk tea with true boy over here. So we'll be seeing what we'll be having.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's talk after we have taken something.
Yeah. I'll just show you guys what we have. It will be githeri. Githeri, we call them githeri over here. So yeah, let's wait and see. Makan. Hey, any. Myself tea. So let's have tea over here, and also Trouble has tea. And you know, it's noon time. It's not even noon, it's evening time right here. This cups reminds me when I was very young. My grandma used to love this. Very young. If you're giving them these 2 cups, and they were only specific for serving milk tea. You can't serve it with strong tea, only milk tea. They reminds me of my grandma. In this zone, Trubo got himself chapatis. He's batching chapatis and tea. That's milk tea. And
This morning, guys.
let's see what CJ is going to check. Alright? We are so exhausted, man. But we keep on pushing. Got myself githeri, and you know, in Kikuyu land, if you're being given githeri, there must be Irish potatoes over here, and also cabbage. We have a lot of mixture of stuffs. So let's dig in. True boy just chose to have what you call like chapatis, but me, I wanted something heavy because it's morning.
I like chapati.
Very
I like
sweet.
chapati so much.
There are a lot, bro. You can bring maybe another kijiko. You can try.
Let me done with this. Then
Yeah.
if I'm not full.
You can dig in here.
Yes.
Okay. That's one of the most appetizing food in Kenya. If you ever pay a visit in Kenya, just say, "Can I have githeri?" The mix of red beans, maize, a lot of stuffs. Guys, imagine we are still operating up to night time. Reason being, the machine got damaged, and now we have a bigger problem now here. So we are going to sleep at the construction site over here with True Boy.
Yeah, this is a true boy.
Yeah. So the machine is operating from the other side, guys. So let's wait and see. Okay, we are still stuck here. True Boy.
Yes,
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, guys, now I think we are concluding because we are loading the what do you call like the blocks. Yeah. That night, the last truck. Then
Hakuna kidole hapo. Wapi kidole? This is the Great Rift Valley. Maybe you've been told, you've been heard. Yes. The view of the Great Rift Valley. Wow. Yeah. What about that? It's a Great Rift Valley, guys. Look. Wow.
Guys, I just arrived, but the biggest problem is the biggest problem is I just arrived where my eyes are swollen. Yesterday night when we were working on the truck, I lost my eye specs. I looked left, right, center, but they were not there. But I thank God we just arrived safely, and whatever we did, like we have just covered them over here, the black stones. They are here, and they just did what you call like a test. I'm so amazed and wowed with the great work that is going over here, and already they have finished. So almost quiet. Say hi.
Hi. Ami.
Ami. Yeah. So what's wowing me? Everybody's happy. What's up, Mr. Daisy?
How are you?
I'm good.
Where you come from?
I'm come from here. Yeah, guys, this is what you see. I'm very wild with the pattern. So we just brought the stones, and they were like, oh my god, we want to just try and see. So we wanted this kind of pattern, and let us know in the comment section what you think. And yeah, this is what you see here. So starting from tomorrow, maybe we'll be sharing with you step by step what is happening up to the last step, when we'll be finishing and handing over and saying, oh man, this is now what you see over here. But for now, keep praying for us and cross fingers. And also you see the septic is still also going on, so we have covered them to avoid rain also, and also on this other end. So yeah, I can't just go in and just show you what is happening, but still step by step. We just arrived back home, and that's what has been happening, far away from the village and being back to the village. Alright guys, bye bye, see you in our next vlog.